life and your business, it stops and starts with you. There is nothing outside of you that can keep you from building an abundant business. So this is all an internal growth for you. So I want to give some examples as to how, because a lot of times, we want to blame outside circumstances for the failure of our business. Something is wrong, right? We have all these things that we can look at. I don't have money. I don't have time. This person is trying to go against me, right? We have all these outside, we believe, but it really has nothing to do with those outside external things. It has everything to do within us. The first example I want to give is Madam C.J. Walker. She was born in 1867 and lived through the early 1900s. She was recorded as the first self-made millionaire woman in the world. As a Black woman, you don't need me to tell you the time that she was living was not a friendly time towards women, and especially women of color. But yet she lived and operated from a different mindset. When it seemed like the entire country was set up against her to make sure she wasn't successful, to make sure she didn't have an abundant life, she stepped into a different mindset and said, oh, wait, I've got room at this table. There's more than enough room for me. And she was able to create hair products. The way she made her million was with hair products for her community that did not have a lot of resources for healthy hair care. She came and served her community. She gave, and what happened? There was a natural response. There was not one person outside of her that could stop that abundant flow back into her life, proving that it has nothing to do with the external sources outside of you. So no one can stop you from living abundantly. Only you are going to stop yourself.